राती 10 वरां उपरांत व्हडल्या आवाजात संगीत वाजोवपाक बंदी आसा। तरी नेम मोडून हंजुणे वाठारात मोठ्या आवाजात म्युझिक वाजोवपी आस्थापनांक उच्च न्यायालयान नोटीस जारी केल्या म्हूण ॲडव्होकेट जनरल देविदास पांगम हांणी माहिती दिली।
Sound pollution matter, the High Court has issued notices to 5 parties who are supposed to have received maximum complaints of violation of the standard of noise. They have been joined as parties. High Court has issued notices to them, and the Pollution Control Board is also supposed to monitor their activities. This is one thing that has happened. Secondly, as far as our proposal which we had made to the court about how to monitor, who will be the supervising authority, which numbers are to be contacted, that note has been accepted by the High Court, and it has been made an order of the court. So that is as of now, that is the order of the High Court. And what is suggested is now there are 3 numbers which are given basically. If any violation is reported, the citizens can contact at these 3 numbers, and if action is not taken, then the SDPO will come in picture. He will immediately take action.
स्मार्ट सिटीच्या 11तल्या 8 रस्त्यांची दुरुस्ती जाल्या। 3 रस्ते दुरुस्त करपाची जबाबदारी महानगरपालिकेची। रायबंदर रस्त्याच्या दुरुस्तीचे काम 15 दिसां भितर हातान घेतले अशें ॲडव्होकेट जनरल देविदास पांगम हांणी सांगले।
Smart city matter, there were 3 stretches where CCP was supposed to report to the court. As far as stretch near the police headquarters is concerned, they made a statement today that they have already started repairs as of now, and the work is going on. As far as other 2 stretches are concerned, the matter is fixed in the next week for the purpose of finding out as to who is supposed to do this work. The road near the Joggers Park, the CCP was saying that it is the PWD who is maintaining it. But it being a CCP road, it is for CCP to maintain the road. If they can't do it, they have to request the PWD for work or repairs that is required to be carried out at this stretch. So the CCP is supposed to report to the High Court again on this stretch also. Further, the issue came up about the road at Ribandar. As far as that road is concerned, we also told the court that we will take up urgent repairs of that road also. Directions have been already issued by the Smart City to repair that road. That work also will start immediately.
आसगावच्या अल शादाय चाइल्ड केअर सेंटराची बाल कल्याण खात्यान बिरेस्तारा पळोवणी केली। बाल कल्याण समितीची परवानगी घेनासतना चाइल्ड केअर सेंटरात 6 वर्सां सकयली 15 भुरगीं दवरिल्ली मेळ्ळी अशी माहिती ॲडव्होकेट जनरल देविदास पांगम हांणी दिली।
काल इन्स्पेक्शन CWCन केलें आनी तातूंत तांकां अशें दिसलें की सादारणशी 15 भुरगीं थंयची 6 वर्सां सकयली आसा। त्या विशयाचेर ताणें एक रिपोर्टूय हायकोर्टाक दिल्लो आसा। आतां अशें आसा की कायद्या प्रमाणे ही CWC आसा पळय, ते प्रत्येक भुरग्याचेर सेपरेट ऑर्डर पास करपाची आसता। CWC म्हणजे जे भुरगे, त्या भुरग्याची कोण केअर घेना, जावं जे अनाथ भुरगें आसा, जावं जाका कांय आधार ना, अशा भुरग्याचे जेन्ना भुरगे मेळटा तेन्ना खंयच्याय मनशान त्या भुरग्याक CWC कडेन हाडून प्रेजेंट करपाक जाय, आनी CWC ऑर्डर पास करता की ह्या भुरग्याक कोणाचे कस्टडीन दिवपाचें जावं कोणाचे केअरान दिवपाचें। तर ह्या भुरग्यांचेर कांयच अशी ऑर्डर घेनासतना अल शादाय ट्रस्टान ही भुरगीं दवरिल्ली। पण काल जेन्ना इन्स्पेक्शन केलें की ते जे भुरगीं थंय आसा पळय ती सुखरूप आसा, तांकां तशें प्रॉब्लेम कांय ना। पण ही भुरगीं दवरल्या ती कांयच ऑर्डर घेनासतना दवरल्या। सो ताका लागून आतां आमी कोर्टाक अशें सांगलें की CWC ह्या विकेंडार थंय वतले, प्रत्येक भुरग्याची इंटरव्यू करतले आनी तांचे आवय बापूय जर आसा तर तांचे इंटरव्यू घेतले आनी प्रत्येक भुरग्याक ज्या भुरग्याच्या वेलफेराक लागून जें कितें करूं शकता, कितें ऑर्डर पास करूंक जाय, तशी ऑर्डर CWC पास करतली।
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर पणजेच्यान विनायक सामंत।